Hey guys, it's Anirban here with Arthicana. Are you a beginner or wanna improve your skill? Then this video is for you. So stay with me and I will give you a bonus tip at the end of this. At first draw the outlines, or you can say the guidelines or reference lines. For this you may use a ballpoint pen like me. This line gonna help you a lot during the design. Now the most important part, how you should hold the mehndi cone. Actually there is no rule, it's all upon you. But when you are designing something which have a compact format or the lines are closer to each other, I will suggest you to hold the cone closer to the tip. And you should use your thumb to press the mehndi and the index finger to guide your tool. Here is the bonus tip. You can use your another hand to support your primary hand, or you can use a object to place your hand on it like me. If you have any further questions, then let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for subscribing me. Goodbye. Take care.